Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Now for today's video, I kind of just wanted to do something fun, something I haven't done on my channel before, and I was thinking I've seen so many fun challenges that have gone on all across YouTube land for as long as I can remember, and I really actually haven't done any, with the exception of like the husband gay best friend does my makeup challenge. I guess that was kind of a challenge, but I haven't really done any other than that, and so I decided that tonight was the night that I was going to do the 5-minute makeup challenge. And needless to say, I am terrified because 5 minutes is not a lot of time, but you know, I kind of wanted to film something short and sweet because makeup tutorials and things like that, they take kind of a long time to film. I know it probably doesn't seem like that when you're watching one, but just know, when you're watching a makeup tutorial or get ready with me, those take a long time to film. But as you can see, my hair is wet because I literally got out of the shower. It's legit 10:57 at night, and as I was getting out of the shower, I was like, you know, this is something I've wanted to do forever. I'm just gonna sit down and do it. So without further ado, if you guys want to see how I do on this challenge, stay tuned. But I just have my phone here. I've got like my little timer, and I'm gonna set it to 5 minutes. I've kind of watched several of these, and I've kind of come up with a game plan almost. I have all my products set out in front of me, and I'm kind of gonna go bare basics. I'm not gonna do lashes, first of all, because that takes too long, and second of all, because it's 11 o'clock at night and I don't want to be peeling eyelash glue out of my eyes tomorrow all day. So yeah, I am confident, but I've come to learn that the people that are the most confident are generally the ones that don't do very well. So we are going to see just how quickly 5 minutes goes by, and if you guys are interested to see what happens to this face, then just keep watching. Alrighty, I'm about to hit start on my phone, and we are going to get started. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, so I'm going to start with primer really quickly. I don't really even know why I'm keeping this on, but I'm just going to try and be as fast as I can from the get-go, because that seems to be most people's problems, is that they take time. Now we're going to go to foundation. If I don't say what I'm using, I will put it on the screen or put it in the description box. This is the Marc Jacobs Remarkable. I used it because it has this wand, and I figured that might be the easiest way to put the foundation on. My beauty blender. And beat. Oh my god, I'm beating my face so hard because, oh, this is making me so nervous. I'm going to take it on my eyes. Oh crap, I just realized I didn't pull out anything for my eyebrows. Dang it. Oh my gosh. You guys are gonna get to hear how loud and janky my drawers are because of the fact that I forgot to pull out an eyebrow product to set aside. Oh. But what I was saying is I'm putting foundation on my eyes because I don't know if I'm going to conceal, because this foundation is so full coverage that it pretty much covers everything anyways, and I don't really have time to be like as cautious as I normally would. I wouldn't normally put this that far up underneath my eyes, but I don't have time to care. Holy moly, oh my god, I'm starting to sweat. I would turn on the fan if I could, but oh my god, it's already been a minute and a half. How is that freaking possible? Okay. I'm gonna take powder, my giant powder brush, and just, oh, not a single care in the world. Oh, God bless America. Oh gosh. Okay, that seems great. Okay, we're gonna do bronzer. Oh, I got slobber. Oh my gosh. Oh! Just gonna look ratchet AF. Bronze. Huh, at least it smells good. It's a butter bronzer. Oh my gosh, I'm literally sweating. Why I chose to do this right after I got out of a hot shower, I have no idea. Oh, I might have to take a second shower because I'm sweating so bad. Okay, bronzer's on. We're gonna do blush. Using this LA Girl blush. Yep, great, looks fabulous. I'm then gonna take, we have 2 minutes and 30 seconds left. We are halfway done. Nicole Guerrero, whoopsie. Well, maybe the highlight will distract people from how fugly I look. Holy crap, holy. Oh, that's just like all over the side of my nostrils and everything. Yes, look at that beam. Woo! Okay. I'm gonna do lips because people always miss the, oh shoot! No, why are you broken? Oh god, okay. Come on, okay. Oh my god! Oh, that looks atrocious. I can't do that. Ha! Okay, well, I'll go back and fix that if I have the time. Luckily, my brows are microbladed, so what we're going to do is I'm just going to take, oh my gosh, my bronzer. I'm going to take that bronzer, run into my crease. I have 1 minute and 23 seconds left, guys. Holy shiznit. Wow, why does 5 minutes go by so fast when you're doing your makeup but not in life, like when you're on a treadmill or something? I look terrifying. Oh my god. Okay, bronzer. Then we're gonna take this kind of creamy white eyeshadow and I'm just gonna place that on the lid. Okay, great. I'm gonna take, oh, screw that. I was gonna curl my eyelashes, no time for that. Some mascara. Oh, I forgot to put on eyeliner, but, oh no, my screen went blank. Oh, I have 40 seconds left. Oh. Seriously? How is that already 5 minutes? Oh my gosh. Is this the most frantic challenge you've seen? Because I feel very frantic. And cakey and disgusting. Oh my gosh, I'm for real gonna get back in the shower, like not even kidding. This is hideous! Oh gosh. Guys. This looks like a 5-year-old did my makeup. Oh my god. How do people put on lashes? How do people... Ah! Oh my gosh. Look how clumpy that just got. I'm not even gonna lie, I feel like with these lips, how bad I did, like, look at that. Oh yeah, I feel like Miranda sings, but like, more tragic. Oh. The only thing that I can say that I have going for me is my highlight is poppin', but yikes! Oh my gosh, well, I just came to realize exactly how long it really does take me to do my makeup, because 5 minutes went by lickety-split, and I would go nowhere with this makeup on. So what do you guys think? Have you done the 5-minute makeup challenge? If you haven't, I challenge you to do it and leave me a comment down below and let me know how it goes for you, because this is harder than it looks. But anyways, I hope I gave you guys some laughter, some enjoyment today, and yeah, I'm gonna swiftly get back right in the shower right behind me and wipe all of this off. But if you guys haven't subscribed, I would love it if you did. You can click the little clicky button right down below. You can also hit the notification bell, that way you don't miss any of my future uploads. Please like this video, please. It helps get my videos out to more people. And until I see you guys in the next one, stay classy. Bye!